How to add clickable link in Instagram Reels. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add a link in Instagram Reels. So let's get started. First, let me make this clear. You cannot add a clickable link in your Instagram Reels directly. So that is not really possible. There is no such feature as that. So let me teach you an alternative way where you can add a link in your Instagram Reels. So let's get started. First, open up your Insta and tap on your plus icon, create a new post. So now on your post, tap on next. Now you can play around here. You can check if you can add a clickable link here. So you can check there is no link option here either. So you can tap on next. Now if you're wondering if you can add a link here, there is no such option to add a link on your caption as well. So let me just type in a random link, and after you have typed this up, let's see if it gets converted into a link. So as you can see, it's not working. Now if I tap on share, it's gonna finish uploading, and you will notice that there is no option where you can just add a link there. So the only way you can redirect someone from your Reels to the very link is by editing on here. Tap on edit. After you tap on edit, make sure that you inform the people that there is a link in your bio. Now you can add the link in your bio. Now type in link is in the bio, and after you've done that, tap on done. You can even add a text on your Reels as well, and all you need to do is add a link in your bio. Tap on edit profile and just add a link. So as you can see, there is a section for link. Just tap on add external link and add your link on your bio, and that is the only way you can add a link in your Instagram Reels, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for this video.